Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Voc sensor is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in ensuring a healthy and safe indoor environment, playing a critical role in detecting volatile organic compounds that can emanate from everyday household items, furniture, and even cleaning products, thereby safeguarding your well-being from potential respiratory issues, allergic reactions, and long-term health concerns associated with prolonged exposure to these invisible airborne pollutants. Number 5. TopTes PT199 Natural Gas Leak Detector. Introducing the TopTes PT199, your reliable solution for detecting combustible gas leaks. It helps pinpoint sources like methane and propane, significantly reducing explosion risks and safeguarding your home and family. Experience peace of mind with its rapid response system. It triggers visual and audio alarms in under half a second, intensifying as gas concentration rises. The screen even turns red for high levels. This device comes with batteries included and is ready to go after a quick warm-up. It features a low battery indicator and an auto power-off function for convenience. Designed for life on the go, its compact, non-slip form factor makes it easy to carry. It's perfect for RV owners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone with gas appliances at home. When you purchase this detector, you receive everything you need. It includes the detector, a storage bag, batteries, and a user manual for easy operation. What we like. This device offers rapid detection of various combustible gases with both visual and audio alerts. If you are concerned about potential leaks from natural gas, propane, or other similar sources in your home, RV, or workshop, this is a great choice. It's designed for easy portability and quick checks, making it ideal for homeowners with gas appliances or DIY enthusiasts. What people say. It is a smaller device that works well for testing for natural gas leaks at the source. This means you must hold it gently against an area that you want to check for a moment. It is great for checking around valves or other seals that could leak gas, such as your water heater tubes or gas stove. This device does require a 30-second zero-level calibration each time you turn it on. I used it to detect and pinpoint a natural gas leak around the gas valve controller on my water heater. Very easy to use and was very effective. The display and audible alarm quickly reveal how much gas is being detected. Easy to use. Nice and compact. Seems solid. Tested it with lighter and it worked fine. Number 4. Airthings Wave Plus Radon and Air Quality Monitor. Meet the Airthings Wave Plus, your ultimate solution for a healthier home environment. It's designed to give you peace of mind about the air you breathe. Radon levels can change throughout the day, which is why continuous monitoring is crucial. This device provides accurate and reliable radon measurements over time. It goes beyond radon, monitoring carbon dioxide, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and air pressure. Get a complete picture of 6 essential indoor air factors. Simply wave in front of it for an instant color-coded status. Connect via Bluetooth to our app for detailed insights and historical data about your air quality. Designed in Norway with 15 years of industry leadership, it's a trusted solution used worldwide. We are the original pioneers in radon gas detection. Your purchase includes the device, batteries, a quick start guide, and access to our dedicated support team. Breathe easier knowing you're covered. What we like. This monitor provides reliable, continuous measurement of radon and other key indoor air factors like CO2 and VOCs. If you're looking for a comprehensive understanding of your home's air quality, especially concerning radon, which can be a serious health risk, this is an excellent option. Its app integration allows for easy access to detailed insights and trends. What people say. VOC's measurements are very impressive. We can immediately see the changes in results even with subtle things like sweeping the floors or bringing a box inside our home with things that had been in storage. The app works well and is pretty user-friendly. We had no issues downloading or using the app in our phones or iPad. Also, no issues registering the device. I think the level of information is what we need, and it is great to have access to historic data. The Airthings Plus was easy to set up, the app is easy to navigate, and reading are relatively close other the devices I have. Number 3. Altura Photo Camera Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Altura Photo Camera Cleaning Kit, your all-in-one solution for maintaining pristine camera gear. It includes everything you need, all neatly organized in a durable hardshell case. Our cleaning solution is made with all natural, plant-based ingredients, making it completely safe for all your lenses and digital sensors. It provides a streak-free clean without any harsh chemicals. This kit features 6 factory-sealed, 16mm dry sensor swabs specifically designed for APS-C sensors. They effectively remove dust and smudges in a single pass without scratching. These swabs are built for APS-C DSLR and mirrorless cameras from top brands like Canon, Nikon, and Sony. Ensure your sensor size before ordering for a perfect fit. Take your cleaning kit anywhere with the included zippered hardshell case. It fits perfectly into your camera bag, keeping everything organized and protected on the go. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for thorough camera cleaning, including a safe, all-natural solution and specialized swabs. If you own an APS-C DSLR or mirrorless camera and want to ensure your lenses and sensors are pristine without risking damage, this is the perfect solution. It's designed for convenience and portability, keeping all your cleaning tools organized and protected. What people say. It took 4 swabs to get it back to a pristine state, but the process itself is rather painless, and Digital Goja has video instructions on YouTube to guide you through it. Swabs are very effective and good. I reused the first one and it worked fine. The kit is jam-packed with everything you will need to keep your body and glass in top shape. Number 2. Airthings View Plus Radon and Air Quality Monitor. This device provides continuous monitoring of your indoor air quality. It measures radon, PM 2.5, CO2, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and air pressure, ensuring you're always aware of your environment. Radon is a serious health risk, causing more lung cancer deaths than home fires and carbon monoxide combined. This accurate digital detector helps you stay safe from this invisible threat. With over 15 years of expertise and 1 million satisfied users, our smart monitors are designed for reliable air quality insights. You can trust us to help you understand and control your home's air. Access your live air quality data anytime, anywhere through our app. Receive timely notifications about pollutants and contaminants before they become a concern. Our user-friendly app allows you to view current readings, analyze trends, and receive personalized tips for better air. You can even check local pollen forecasts. Increase your peace of mind by registering for our optional, free extended warranty. This can extend your standard product warranty to a full 5 years. Enjoy a quick and simple setup with this battery-powered unit. Its cable-free design allows for flexible placement anywhere in your home, and the customizable e-ink screen keeps you informed. What we like. This device offers always-on monitoring of a wide range of air quality factors, including radon, PM 2.5, CO2, and VOCs, with Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time data. If you need continuous, detailed insights into your indoor air pollution and want the convenience of remote monitoring and notifications, this is a top-tier choice. The extended warranty also offers great peace of mind for long-term use. What people say. This bad boy tracks all of your air quality metrics over time. This is extremely important when you want to understand cause and effect in anything in life. Airthings has a nice application and semi-customizable dashboard which makes viewing really easy to do, and from anywhere in the world. The inclusion of radon, temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure sensors is a plus. Number 1. Breathe Air Monitor Plus. Accurately track CO2, particles, VOCs, formaldehyde, temperature, and humidity in real time. Advanced sensors provide a complete picture of your indoor air environment at home, in offices, or classrooms. Unlike basic CO2 monitors, this device combines precision particle sensing with gas detection technology. It delivers deeper air quality insight, not just a single data point. Identify changes caused by cooking, cleaning products, HVAC cycles, occupancy, or ventilation issues. This allows you to take action to improve comfort and productivity. Connect to the free Breathe Tech app for remote monitoring and instant air quality alerts. You can also track trends with 30-day data history to make smarter decisions about your indoor environment. Its modern, compact design fits naturally into any space while continuously monitoring air quality day and night. It's ideal for families, allergy sufferers, and anyone concerned about indoor health. Equipped with a precise CO2 meter, it detects rising CO2 levels. This helps you ventilate to boost focus, reduce drowsiness, and maintain a healthy environment, perfect for homes and offices. Monitor air quality to prevent concentration issues caused by high CO2 or pollutants. It's ideal for home offices, study spaces, or anywhere you need peak performance. What we like. This monitor offers professional-grade, 8-in-1 indoor air quality monitoring, including CO2, formaldehyde, VOCs, and PM levels. If you are particularly concerned about specific pollutants like formaldehyde or want a comprehensive view of your home's air for health and productivity, this device is ideal. Its smart app provides alerts and historical data, empowering you to take action. What people say. The unit has a pretty straightforward interface and easy for anyone to set up. Easy to read display with many options to customize on the phone-based app. Accuracy appears to be fairly sensitive, at least in terms of tracking change and proving historical records. The Breathe Airmonitor Plus measures everything you could possibly want to know about your air quality: PM 1.0, PM 2.5, PM 10, CO2, formaldehyde, temperature, and humidity. The build quality of the monitor is great too. It feels sturdy, and the sleek design fits right in with our home decor. It's portable, so we've been moving it around to different rooms to get a complete picture of our indoor air quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.